Here is a kind of an old pant Mrs. X discarded, so I picked it up and I thought to upcycle it into something better. And as you can see, it is tight on my hip region, but I'm going to make this thing into something that I would like. So you join me and let's create something beautiful. This is the back side, and first of all I'll cut the hem of this pants. After that, I will rip the crotch or the inseam area. So you use your seam ripper and rip it off. After I was done with that, this is what I have. So I'm going to hold it just this way and work on the back side. Arrange it properly. This is the back side, so we want to take out the crotch area of the back. So using my French curve, I'll go ahead and create a mark this way. After I was done with that, forget about the pinning yet. I'll work on the front area. So I will also rip out this place just as you can see, and then I'll turn it to the right side. We want to overlap just as you can see. You are going to overlap this region, place the other side on top, and then I will use my pin and pin. So this is what I want to achieve. It's usually on a denim skirt, as you can see in this one on the right. So I'll go ahead and make sure I'm pinning just on the front area, just as you can see, just on the front till I get to where the is going to stop, where I will start having my slit opening. Then I'll go ahead and sew following that shape. I will sew it 2 times, just as usually seen on a denim skirt. So this is what I'm doing. I'm taking out the back side and I'm sewing following the shape of that curve that I have there. Following the shape, I'll sew the first one. This is it after sewing, and then I still have the raw edge there, so I'll go ahead and turn it inside and sew it. If you have a weaving machine or a serger, you go ahead and serge it. So I'm going to sew mine, and I'll also sew the other side too. After I was done with that, then I will then proceed to the back, pin it, and then I will sew just as I am showing you right now. Sew it all the way down. After sewing, I'm trimming out the excess that I have there to avoid being bumpy at the bum area. So this is it. I'm done sewing that, and you can see the front, you can see the back too. There's no bumpy form at the back side. All right, so I tried it on when it was long, and after that I went ahead to trim it, and I went ahead to hem it also, and I had a shorter version of it, but the one you can see on the video is the longer part. So this is it after sewing. Please go ahead and like, subscribe, and share your thoughts and call the results. Please comment, put your comments down, and I'll be waiting to hear your beautiful comments. So don't throw your denim jean or whatever, try to upcycle it into something better. See ya.